So I have to laugh. Starbucks? No, it's not. There's not 5 feet where there's not a Starbucks. No. So I have to laugh. I picked my camp spot via Campendium, little app that allows you to, find places to camp. Plus, shows Bureau of Land Management land and whatnot, so you can just pitch a tent if you want. Which that's my tent in the background. But anyway, what I'm laughing about is the freaking warning. That warning for the Jetty over there. Here's the campsite, right? All the campers, right? I haven't timed it, but I guess it's like every 30 seconds. Yeah, all night, all day. There you go. Anyway, peace on earth. Ciao.